Why does your scanner show the P1238 engine code? What does it mean? P1238 is a diagnostic trouble code for a fuel pump secondary circuit fault. It indicates that the fuel pump driver module has determined a problem in the fuel pump secondary circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: fuel pump, injector, EGR. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. Commonly come in Nissan, Toyota, Ford, and Chevy's vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.